What's going on? It's the Green Dot Whisperer, and we're back again. I just opened up a $100 trade on Algo. I'm doing a video for the short-term traders for Algorand. Now look at this 1 minute chart here, guys. Look at the green volume right here. This is money time, money belt. And then I got a MJ on the 1 minute. This is gonna pop. All right. So this is a good way to enter your trade. This is a beautiful entry, actually. And we're gonna hold this for a little while. We have two options. I could hold this if you don't believe in that it's gonna continue to go up, and you don't believe that it's gonna get the green dot on the day chart, then you would hold it on the hour chart. Hold it till it touches the histogram, get your big pop, take your percentage, and either tether out, wait for a dip, and go back in. I did this on Coinbase. I bought $100 on Coinbase. Coinbase obviously robbed me from the fees, so my $100 already started at a loss, at a negative. It started at $96 because Coinbase wanted to rip me off on the fee. But hey, I mean, I'm American. They limit our options. You know what I mean? So we don't have Binance and all the other Bybit and all the other good programs. Because I guess they don't want me to become rich. But I'm gonna do it anyways. Fuck it. But so here it is. 1 hour, green dot. You got the cross over here. You see it climb. You got a lot of great buying opportunities. In the last video, I said I wanted to see you buy it at 106, which is the price we are at now, which was the entry I got. And I wanted to see you buy it at 104. If someone was hawking this, the best price you could have gotten was 97 cents, guys. Every time Algorand dips below $1, it always fights right back up and hates being under a dollar. So if you get any of these 97 cents, you're gonna make money. So I've been following the price action really closely. And when I said the last video, when it goes down to that 106, 104 prices, it likes to jump back up, and when it does recover, it goes back up to around the $1.16 area. So I'm gonna keep a close eye on what happens to the charts when we get to $1.16. But 4 hours also looking beautiful. We're about to get the MACD to cross, still under the histogram. We got room to run. Over here, we're at the first support line. We're making our way up. We broke that support line, so hopefully we can make it all the way up to $1.22. You know what I mean? So we're gonna continue to monitor this trade, but I have I got to think good things is gonna happen, because look, 6 hour green dot all lit up, still hasn't crossed on the MACD. There's gonna be a little bit of fighting on the way, but hopefully we get this to cross as well, get this to come up to the histogram as well, and let's keep on going. 8 hour, don't got an 8 hour one yet, so let me see something. We got the 7 hour, 8 hour. So yeah, if we get the 8 hour and we keep on climbing, hopefully it'll keep on climbing to the higher time frames. We'll get a 12 hour. That's a half a day, and then around 8 p.m. for the US people, we get the VWAP to reset. It's coming up. 8 p.m. will be in 2 hours and 31 minutes and 45 seconds and counting down. So that's a major point that I like to keep my eye on, because that's when the VWAP resets. And let me put up the VWAP here so you can see what I'm talking about. Whoop. So the purple line that popped up is the VWAP. You can see it's hiding behind the candles. When the VWAP crosses the SMA, that's a powerful move. It shoots down. Now, what we want to see happen here is we get a green dot here, because as I always say, Green Dot Whisper. That's why we named the channel Green Dot Whisper. Because if we whisper this green dot to pop up on the day chart on Algo, we getting money. So let's make sure that whisper happens. The first resistance line is $1.75. Can we do it? Depends. We got to monitor it step by step. All right. I'm not going to jump out there and say, yeah, we're going to get it. One guaranteed spot that we could go to that I feel very confident about is $1.16. If we get $1.75, then so be it. Thank you. Thank you for the more return. But I'm not shooting that high up yet. I'm not too confident on a bull run, but I am confident on a short uptrend before we might dip again. But I'll tether out and I'll keep my profits, and I'll keep building me some algo coins, you know, make my wallet a little heavier. So, but yeah, this is a great short-term trade. Let's see what happened to that 1 minute. That 1 minute was the sexiest thing I ever seen on that oscillate. Oh my God, look at all that green. That's money line right there. That green shade, that volume, that means there's heavy volume pushing the price up right now, guys, as we speak. See what this 5 minute look like. Ooh, that's a Kobe dot with the VWAP underneath. Very strong green volume again. See what a 15 minute look like. That is popping up. RSI is getting over to the overbought territory, but we're still not there. We still got room to run. Still at the 64 level. We're not even up to 100. So yeah, we could continue running. $30-minute just touched the histogram on the MACD, which is great. That's why we got the pump. You see that? Where did it touch? Right here. It touched right there, guys. Follow that line. Look what the cross is at. Soon as that green line touched that histogram, we started this trend. I told you this is powerful things right here. This is how we trade. We follow the waves. This is a powerful move right here because you had seen it getting closer to histogram around here, and whoop, you had took that entire run right there. That's percentages. From that green bar to the top, 2.7%. It's not bad. I mean, it's a guaranteed proven method. It's about compounding your profits till you get to the big boy level. And then this is, see, I'm excited. 1 hour, look at the gap in between the histogram. This is what we're going to get. We're going to eat that. As soon as we get that cross, we're going to get the, hopefully it goes up to the next resistant over here. $1.22, I'll take it. You know, how much is that profit anyways? Let's figure it out. From $1.06 to the next resistant line, 14%. Now that's how I like it. And that's just the hour chart. So let's say this climbs up to the day chart and we actually get what we want. We get the green dot on the day chart. Let's see, because this is going to be very attractive. Very, very beautiful. All right, see, this is where we're at. We're not even up there. We're not even at the golden zone on the fib chart yet, because that's the golden zone, $1.13. So we're still undervalued. And so let's do this measurement real quick. 63%, guys. I want to see that happen. That's beautiful. So keep your fingers crossed for this green dot on the day chart. Until then, keep monitoring, and you can make, you know, a good little 16% before we get the 63%, hopefully. All right, guys. Green Dot Whisperer signing out. Take care.